For this 19-liter batch, we are brewing a moderate-strength American Amber Ale. The grain bill is 80% Maris Otter, 10% Munich malt, 5% Crystal malt 60 level bond, 4% Victory malt, 1% roasted barley. After thoroughly stirring the grain into the strike water, the mash was held at 67 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, the mash was heated to 75 degrees Celsius and held for an additional 10 minutes for a mash out. The malt pipe was raised and the grain bed was sparged with water to rinse the residual sugars back into the wort. Next, the wort was heated to a boil. The wort was boiled for 30 minutes. Hops were added according to the boil schedule on screen now. With 10 minutes left in the boil, yeast nutrient and the immersion chiller were added. This step is necessary to ensure that the immersion chiller is sanitized prior to cooling. Once the boil was complete, the wort was cooled to 80 degrees Celsius for the whirlpool addition. This hop stand step was held at 80 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. After the hop stand, the wort was cooled to 35 degrees Celsius and then transferred to the fermenter. For this batch, I'm using Boskvike from Lallemand. The fermentation profile for this batch is shown on screen now. After fermentation was complete, the beer was transferred to a keg, fined with gelatin, cooled to 5 degrees Celsius, and pressurized to 12 psi for 2 weeks to carbonate. On the initial pour, there is a small amount of chill haze present. This disappears once the beer warms up a little, leaving a clear, copper to amber colored beer. There is a fluffy white head that persists through the drinking session, leaving behind a bit of lacing on the glass. For aroma, orange and grapefruit with a touch of freshly baked bread. Mouthfeel, smooth with a medium body, medium carbonation. Flavor, caramel sweetness and toasted bread from the malt. From the hops, orange, grapefruit, and a bit of pine in the background. There's enough hop bitterness to balance out some of the malt sweetness. Overall impressions. This is a nice, refreshing amber ale that would taste great during a tailgate in the late summer or early autumn. Do you enjoy amber ales? If so, let me know in the comments. If you'd like to learn more, check out our blog at brewtheLookingGlass.com, link in the description. Till next time, cheers, and we'll see you in the next video.